police, military? Who?
Those in charge have not communicated that.
Who are those in charge? Who are those in charge?
These ones are not using their money. They are using public money. This project is government.
Nsaba. Who are those in charge? Because the one in charge has written this letter to me, responding to my letter.
Oyo, ye leader of opposition, Honorable Ssenyonyi. Awo omulaba ali mu kkaayana n'omusirikale abakuuma ku geeti ya Dubowa Hospital. Tujjukira nti eddwaliro lino lyawementa obuwumbi n'obuwumbi bw'ensimbi y'omuwi w'omusolo nga batugamba nti waliwo omusigansimbi gavumenti ya Uganda gwewooza ensimbi azimbe eddwaliro eryo lisobole okuyambako ate bannayuganda. W'owulirira bino litutte emyaka kati 5 nga lisuubiziddwa bannayuganda okulizimba tebalabawo nkyukakyuka. Omusimbi gwo gwafulumizibwa dda. Ababaka ba palamenti ne bagamba gwe gwafulumizibwa tugendeko tulabe eddwaliro we lituuse. Abakulu olutuuseewo babagamba nti tebalina lukusa okkirizibwa kulambula. Naye ng'ekirimu ekyo tewali kiriwo. Beebuuza tubalambuze tubalage ki? Kubanga kati balaba nti ensimbi y'omuwi w'omusolo etokoomoka bo baagirya dda. Kati basazeewo okubuzaabuza abakulu bano n'obaleka ku muggalo ne babagana okuyingira okulaba eddwaliro eryali ensimbi y'omuwi w'omusolo. Agisettuwa omusomi w'edduwa tutambula naye akutuusako pulogulaamu zinga zino naye ng'ensonga z'akolako agisettuba asomera bantu dduwa. Obeera n'okusomoozebwa okw'enjawulo agisettuba wakusomera ku dduwa ze tosigala kyekimu. Basomeddeko ku dduwa ze bamutenda ate nga nammwe baatannaba kusomera ku dduwa ze musobola okumufuna ku ssimu eri 0703 31 39 25. Bw'aba n'abasomera ku dduwa ze mujja kudda kwebaza kubanga yeekakasa kyakola nti akola ekiriyo.
There is no problem. The only problem from our end, the only problem is you people have denied us our right to carry out our
We are not aware of your presence here. Communicate out of
You said you meant to be
You're
aware.
not supposed to be aware. We've written to the Ministry of Health. Are you blocking us? Are you blocking us from getting in there?
Is this a police military installation or what? Because this is a letter, except if you guys can't read English well. This is the Minister of Health who I wrote to.
That what?
So who is in charge of this project?
Why?
Who is in charge of this project? Is it Ministry of Health? Is it police, military? Who?
those in charge have not communicated that.
Who are those in charge? Who are those in charge?
These ones are not using their money. They are using public money. This project is government.
Nsaba. Who are those in charge? Because the one in charge has written this letter to me, responding to my letter. There's no access. By who? So what one? Police. So where does police get the right to deny us access to establish what's going on? Because we send money here, we as parliament.
So you're taking responsibility for blocking us.
Imagine a minister.
Communicate formally.
To who? To who? Why should I communicate to the IGC? Is he the one that's building this place?
Is he a contractor?
Officer,
Do what I'm doing.
come on. You Sababa.
That's what we should start with. We are going to proceed.
He has owned all these activities, the blockage. So I think it's him.
Now we should start by proceeding on these people. Some of these people should lose their jobs. How do you block projects? How do you block projects?
We know what that we advocate power quickly. No.
Somehow he's responsible.
So, but you see,
You're now responsible, and as I'm concerned, you should be arrested.
police.
Oh, so you are
No, you should be arrested, you by now.
Coming back. So you what you done, coming back.
So we need one person. So it's you who
So are you the ones constructing here
Yeah,
as police and
Saba is
military?
constructing and is in charge.
But now you as constructors, you don't allow access here. Eh? Are you the guy who are constructing here? That you can deny us access to our mine?
You are second You know Parliament has to be so
Put in our report. Should I take it that you, Saba, and Namutosi are the ones who are denying Parliament to execute this mandate?
That you're the ones who have overthrown the constitution. Because it's a mandate within the constitution. Eh? No, we are going to be harsh on you.
You know what you're saying is illegal.
And Namutosi said it is okay to break the law as long as you
Actually,
and you're going to be an example.
It's just confirming.
But it's okay to break the law. So that's here.
I communicated to you, communicate officially, you have a...
To who?
To who? Who is official other than Ministry of Health?
What law should I quote when I'm writing? I go and ask you one tell you. No, because you're the one who has denied the access. So maybe you can guide me.
You are bringing in something new.
To the best of my knowledge, we are proceeding on you. To the best of my knowledge, you obstructed us.
No, but you see, I want you to guide me. When you say I should write, but the guidance is not sufficient. Who am I meant to write to? And quoting what law? Eh? Who am I supposed to quote? But you guidance. Or you want better guidance. So you see you're running up because you know what you're doing is illegal. We're going to have judge put together our findings because we have still carried out the oversight. We have carried it out, and we shall tell Parliament what we have discovered because we have not had any access because there's nothing going on there. Our hope is that Parliament will listen to us when we say let's stop sending money here because these are thieves, these are Bafere, there's nothing going on. We hope they will listen. Yeah, we were clearly duped by this Pineti who keeps duping us here, there, and so on.
We have to come back.
Yeah,
And also the people
Yeah, we have to come back.
clearly.
In a few weeks, we shall be back.
Thank you.
Yes, eke Commander Agobeddwa naye ku Map Media ndowooza ensonga za leero batumye access tetusobola okufuna access yonna ey'okuyingira munda. Ndowooza tukitadde Map Media yaliko eke Commander goli naye
bwe batyo ababaka balemeseddwa okutuuka gye babadde bagenza okulambula emirimu egikolebwa ku ddwaliro ly'e Lubowa era awo beewerekedde nga bavaayo nga tewali kyakukola tewali kyakuzzaako kubanga bakimanyi bulungi nti ekibagaanisizza eddwaliro teririiwo olwedde ssente bali baali bayisaawo byabwe ensimbi y'omuli w'omusolo bwetyo bwetokomoka nti bayisa bajeti ssente ne zifulumizibwa naye ssente olufuluma abakulu nga bo bazikuba ku mumwa beeriira banoonya ekyokunnyonnyola bannayuganda tebakirina kye balina okukola kuziyiza ababaka bano okugendayo kubanga bakimanyi nti bwe banaagendayo bagenda kubuulira pabuliiki ebiriwo nti bali baatusuubiza naye baatusuubiza mpewo